How to add a shop button on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right. In order to add a Shop Now button on your Instagram profile, you have to change your personal Instagram account to a business or creator's account. Tap on three bar icon on your right-hand side. Then scroll below until you find the option of Account Type and Tools. Tap onto it, then tap on Switch to Professional Account, then tap on Continue. Now under What Best Describes You, choose any category that you would like. Enter your email address, your phone number, your business address. If you would like to display all these information on your profile, toggle on this button. If not, left it untoggled, then tap on Next. And once you do all that, you have to follow all these 5 steps and fill up your necessary details. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and skip this process for now. As you do so, you will be able to see professional dashboard at your profile page. Now, as you have just switched your personal account to your business account, you have to add product, and that product will appear as View Shop or Shop Now button to your followers or any other person viewing your business. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.